Okay, let's come to the question number 21. How should I do this? Just let me know how should I do this.
Yes, so find the weight of half meter scale. So half meter scale is 50 centimeter scale. So the half point would be 25 centimeter. The fulcrum is at 5 centimeter.
Balanced at. See, what you need to understand is that the weight of the scale would be here. Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Correct.
The weight of the half meter scale would be at this 25 centimeter mark. Are we clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's go ahead. Balanced at one second. Balanced at 5 centimeter mark. So let us consider 5 centimeter to be here. So this is our 5 centimeter mark and this is our 25 centimeter mark. Mr. Sivang, any doubt?
No doubt.
When a weight of 10 gram force is suspended at one of its end, so where would the weight be suspended? On the left or the right, Mr. Sivang?
It will be suspended on the left.
Shabash, very nice. So here you would have a force of 10 gram force. Mr. Sivang, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Then how should I do this question?
So 10 GF.
Yeah.
So 10 GF into 5 centimeter.
Into 5 centimeter. Shabash, because you are considering this to be the axis. So this would be the moment of force. Shabash. So 10 GF into 5 centimeter. Very nice. Would be equal to?
And so M.
Shabash. What is M?
So M is the mass that is being balanced at it's the weight of the scale.
So should I take M or should I take W?
So W. So.
W. See, what you need to understand is that when you say mass, then you will come in grams. But when you say weight, you will remain in gram force. Have you understood what I've said?
Yes, sir.
So don't take this to be M, take this to be W. So that automatically your answer would come in gram force. Any doubt?
No doubt.
Multiplied by?
So it would be multiplied by the difference. So it would be 20 centimeter.
Very nice. This would be 20 centimeter. So W would be equal to 5 into 10 upon 20. This would be equal to 2.5 gram force. Mr. Sivang, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Great, sir. Question 22.
So find the resultant moment of a couple of two equal forces, each of 6 Newton, are acting at a distance of 3 centimeter each from the center.
Shabash. We have discussed this before. We have discussed the formula. So we have 6 Newton here, 6 Newton here, and 3 centimeter from the center. So what should be the answer?
So it would be 6 into 3 plus 6 into 3.
Yeah, that is another way of putting it. But what you need to remember is that this is in centimeter. And if you see the answers, they are in meters. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. So we have to convert it.
Yes, sir. So this is another way of tackling this. This would be in this direction. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
This would be in this direction. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So basically they would, both of them would make a couple like this. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So the force would be 6 into 3 upon 100 plus 6 into 3 upon 100. Mr. Sivang, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So this will be equal to, what would this be equal to? This would be 18 and this would be 36. See, this is 18, 18, 2s are 36. So this will be 0.36 Newton meter. Mr. Sivang, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Great, sir. Question 23.
So 23, find the weight of a meter scale balance with 30 centimeter mark such that the two weights, one of 80 GF and 10 GF, is suspended at 5 centimeter mark and 40 centimeter mark respectively. This is a meter scale, so it will be the midpoint would be 50 centimeter and the fulcrum would be at 30 centimeter.
The fulcrum would be at 30 centimeter. Shabash. So this would be 30 centimeter, this would be 50 centimeter. Two weights, 80 GF and 10 GF, are at 5 and 40. So we are consider this to be the 0 centimeter mark. Have you understood what I've said?
Yes, sir.
Now 80 GF is at 5 centimeter. This is what respectively means. So 80 GF is at 5 centimeter. So this is my 5 centimeter and this is my 80 GF. Any doubt?
No doubt.
80 GF, and this is actually my distances should be from the from this axis. No, from the fulcrum. You are right, because they are balanced at 30 centimeter mark. You are absolutely right. This is not the. This is my fulcrum, because the scale will rotate around here. So 80 GF is 5 centimeter from here. Okay, and 10 GF is at 40 centimeter. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
This would be 40 centimeter. Have you understood?
Yes.
And the weight, this weight would be how much?
So at 50 centimeter, it would be, yes, W.
And at 40 centimeter, it would be
10 GF. 10 GF.
Have you understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then what would be the equation?
So equation would be 80 GF into 25 centimeter.
Why 25? Because this is the distance. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
And this is the direction. Okay, this would be equal to,
Is equal to 10 into 40 into 10 into 10.
10 into 10. Why 10? Because this is 10. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Plus what
So
next?
this would be plus 20 into W.
20 into why 20? Because this is 20. So CB, have you understood the logic or not?
Yes, sir. I have understood the loss.
See, what you should be very clear is there are two things in these questions that will usually confuse students. And the two things are, one is students will get confused about the fulcrum. The distances should be taken from the fulcrum. Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
The distances have to be taken from the fulcrum. Be very clear about this. The second thing is that the fulcrum can go anywhere, but the weight, again, it is a regular meter scale. The weight would remain at the center of the meter scale of the half meter scale. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Never get confused about this. And the third thing that you can do if you want is if you draw directions like these, they will help you to balance the equation. So this equation would be on the left side and this equation would be on the right side. Is it making sense or not?
Yes, sir. It's making sense.
So 8 5 the 60, 8 to the 16. So you have 200 here. 8 5 the 40, 8 to the 16, 200,000 is equal to 100 plus 20 W. Mr. Subhang, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So you need to calculate this. This will reduce to 1900. this will become 20W. And when you solve this for W, the answer would be, this will cancel, this will be 2 9 by 18, 9.5 GF. Mr. Sibang, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Mr. Sibang, are we clear about this?
Yes, sir.
So our answer would be W is equal to 9.5 GF. Is there any choice? No, there is no choice. So either our answer is correct, either our answer is incorrect, or the choices here are incorrect. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
You will have to check this later. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What I think is that it should actually be 9.5 GF, because I don't see any error in the calculation. Still, if there is an error, just let me know.
Sure.
Yeah. And if there is an error, we'll mention that in the description below. Yeah. Just remind me of that. Question number 24. Mr. CB.
So the weight of a uniform half-meter scale would act at dash marks. So it would be 25 centimeter.
Shabash, shabash. We have done a numerical like this also. Just go through this question number 25. I'll pause the video.
Sure, sir.
So, Mr. Shivang, have you read the question?
Yes, sir.
So, three girls, Shivangi, Radhika, Sally, sat on once. See, this is critical. They sat on one side of the seesaw. Yeah. So just remember this when we start doing the question. One side of the seesaw at distances 1 meter, 1.2 meter, and 1.5 meter. So this is 1 meter, 1.2 meter, 1.5 meter from the fulcrum that is situated at the center of the seesaw. Have you understood till here?
Yes, sir.
The masses of the three girls were 30, 40, 50 respectively. This is 30, this is 40, 50. I've skipped the units. Where should Rakesh sit on the other side? So this is Mr. Rakesh. He's sitting on the other side. If mass of Rakesh is 80 kg. Have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
See, Shivi, it's a good question. How should you do this? Carefully make the diagram. If you make the diagram incorrectly, your question would be wrong. That is for sure. So what you need to understand is that in these kind of questions, if you want to visualize this question, the movement would be like this for this force, movement would be like this for this force, movement would be like this for this force, and the movement would be like this for this force. Have you understood earlier?
Yes, sir.
And I'm repeating again and again, all the distances have to be taken from the fulcrum. Luckily, in this question, all the distances are already from the fulcrum. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you have done, if you have understood question till here, and if you have made the diagram properly, then it's just basic maths. The physics part is over, because then what you need to do is 1.5 into 50, 1.2 into 40, 30 into 1. This whole would be equal to 80 into x, where x is a distance from the fulcrum. This x is where Rakesh would sit. Any doubt?
No doubt.
So this is 75, this is 48, this is 30. You calculate this, the answer would be 1.91. And just remember, this is 1.91 meter. Mr. CB, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So these questions are consuming questions, but time consuming questions. But you need to understand the logic. So Mr. CB, as discussed before also, this video would be uploaded at is equal to classes Shiva. So here we have already uploaded a lot of videos for ICSA class 10th exams. So you have history, you have Java, a lot of videos here. Yeah. Thank you.